Hi, I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag. We're here with Asus, and right now we're looking at the Asus Zenbook A14, their new super light ultra portable. A lot of the lightweight, this is under 1 kilogram. The lightweight is mostly due to a magnesium-alloy chassis, which cuts a lot of the heft out of the system, but also it's super thin. So it's not like there's a lot here to be heavy, but it's also covered with this really fancy looking ceraluminum finish. It's Asus's proprietary finish, which gives it this matte look, and it's a hard scratch-resistant coating that covers the metal, makes it very durable. That's on the lid, the chassis, the underside, the whole thing. Under the hood, we've got a Snapdragon X Elite processor, so it's not only running Windows, it is a Copilot Plus PC with AI capability, and then with a 70 watt-hour battery, this is going to last all day, almost no matter what you're doing. The best part, however, is the price. At $899, this is remarkably affordable, very competitive with another certain lightweight laptop, the MacBook Air, and we're really looking forward to getting this in for a review.